Hey, and welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So today's video, I'm answering the question of should I start a construction company during COVID-19? And I think the answer to that wildly depends on who you are, of course, but in light of the fact that a lot of people are out of work, and I'm in New York, and one of the phase one businesses that is reopened is construction. I would say that if you are, if you have background in construction, that it is maybe not essential, but it sounds like they are considering it as close to essential as it gets. Now we are going to be reopening stuff around here over the next few weeks and months, and who knows if things are going to backfire and we're going to have to close back down again. But if you are out of work and you have construction experience, I mean, now's as good a time as any, right? There is a lot of businesses which coming out of this thing are probably not going to do very well. If you were looking to open a restaurant, I would not maybe suggest doing that. A lot of brick and mortar stores are probably really going to hurt after this. There's a lot of businesses that are not going to do that great. Construction is one of those kind of industries where no matter what goes on in the world, if people are living in houses, things will break, things will need to be done. It is inevitable. As far as repair stuff is concerned, absolutely it will be needed. And in trades like electricians and plumbers and specialized stuff like that, they will always be needed. So first and foremost, if you're starting a business and it's centered around service, a needed service that people need in good times and bad, I always feel like it is a good thing to get into. So that being said, like I said, everybody's different, so it might not be right for you. If you don't have any experience, I would not even think about it. But if you have experience and maybe you've worked for guys for probably 5 to 10 years, I would say, before you open up your own company, you're probably in a good place now where you've got enough experience to know how things are done. Now, running a business is completely different than working for somebody. It is a whole nother game. It's a whole nother thing you have to learn. So if you are going to start a business, there's a whole lot of stuff that you need to know before you jump into it. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but I plan on doing a whole bunch of videos on starting a construction company, as well as I've started writing a book about it. Right now, the book is really in like the beta early stages. I've also been working on a personal YouTube channel as I'm trying to pivot through this whole coronavirus thing. And I've started a personal website where this book, I've actually started kind of giving it away. I've got only the first few chapters done, but I'm giving this book away if you sign up for the email list on the website, and then as each chapter gets finished, I'm like kind of giving it away. It's kind of like my beta test, getting it out there, seeing if people are interested in this stuff. But basically, the book is a step-by-step how-to guide for starting a construction company, and it would work for basically any of the trades companies, but also for most businesses, I would say. It's generally the same kind of thing. And there's a lot of knowledge in there that I've gained from the last 11 years being in business, 10, 11 years. Plus, I've been in construction for 19 years. So I've been around a while. So if you're interested in that, there's links below. My personal website is nickborsellino.com. Of course, my business website is borsellinocarpentry.com. You can follow me on Facebook for both of those things. It's Nicholas Borsellino on Facebook or Borsellino Carpentry on Facebook. And if you go to the website, like I said, you will be able to sign up for the email, which you'll get a link for the book for free. I am trying to figure out how I am pivoting during this, and it has sparked me to say, you know, if I'm pivoting this way or that way, there's other people who are trying to figure things out. And if anybody wants to get into the construction field, I have a lot of useful information as far as the business side goes, aside from all these how-to videos and everything that I'm doing. So check out the book. Like I said, even if you're not into construction and you want to start some other business, it's free stuff that you could get if you're interested. If you're a follower of me on this channel, thank you very much. I've been having a big uptick recently based on me focusing a little bit more on business stuff versus on the actual swinging of the hammer stuff. That's why I'm trying to gear some of my new videos on that. So if you have anything that you would like me to cover, business related stuff or carpentry related stuff, as always, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video.